Hello everyone, this is Mr.6speed here. As you all know that I want a Pulsar 200 NS. So today I'll be replacing few things in my bike. So quickly I'll show you the items which have been being replaced, and I'll tell you about the price also. So let's go. So I'll be replacing the oil. So this Motul 20W50 fully synthetic will cost you around 837 rupees depending on your dealers, and this Motul chain lube will cost you around 545 rupees. This oil filter will cost you for 74 rupees. I'll be changing the sprocket also. So the Pulsar 200 NS sprocket will cost you around 1416 rupees. That's 1416 rupees. And this Bajaj brake fluid dot 4 will cost you 85 rupees. And I'll be changing the chain slider also. So this will cost you 97 rupees. And I'll be replacing the front tire. So this pilot street radial will cost you around 4200 rupees. It's of Michelin. It's a radial tire. So 110 by 70 R17.